everyone's Foxy Animal Jam here, as you see here. And right now, I am showing you an example of how to enter the giveaway. So I'll be showing you an example. So first you'll do this. You'll put username. And then I'll put like mine, so. And then I'll put why I want M&M. So I'll put like this. This is why I want the account.
$7.25.
Why I want the account, comma. I want it because someone keeps blocking my
If you guys entered the giveaway,
account.
I hope you guys did.
So you do that, right? So put your username, why you want the account, like this video, watch all my Animal Jam giveaway videos, watch them, like them, and you also have to subscribe to me.
No one barely goes to the internet.
And then you have to do this and write subscribed if you subscribe to me.
Come on, 20 people there. Look, I'm just checking to see if anyone's there.
That's an example. So an example is this. So username, mine is YB37. As you can probably see here. And this is why I want the account. I want it because someone keeps blocking my old account. And then, yeah, that's the example. Don't worry, this is not for anyone. This is just an example. I say this is just an example. Okay, all of you that watch that will know that's an example. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and bye!